The reason I'm up this early is that we're going to Belgium. Okay, so first get some gas, then to the office, and then to the McDonald's. Well, it's the cheapest I could find, and that means that gas prices are really fucked up. Gas tank is full. The McDonald's is over there, so he's waiting right there. I'm a bit late because I always forget stuff. So the big question after 4 weeks without charging. I think it's still full. Okay, so we are in, I think it's like a bit of the north of Belgium right now, and we're gonna go to Verviers, or I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I've been there once before on holiday actually. Route dégradée. Well, if even they say it's fucked up, it's gotta be really fucked up. Because the normal roads aren't really that fantastic, I guess. This looks actually pretty cozy. Okay, I see the dégradé right there. Okay. Alright. This is scary. Ooh! The fuck? Oh. I'm fucking scared. It's a lot less sketchy on this bike to ride on the freeway.